Hi, it's Riley from River City Innovations, here to show you how to install our TxH temperature and humidity sensor into your business's fridge, freezer, or cooler.
To get started, make sure your order includes your sensors, your activation magnet, and if requested, 2 pieces of ferromagnetic tape per sensor. Before installing, turn on your sensor with the activation magnet by holding it on the magnet symbol for 3 seconds. Once the LEDs begin flashing slowly, remove the magnet. The LEDs will then begin to flash rapidly before turning off. This means you have successfully turned on your sensor. If the LEDs turn off before flashing, simply try again.
Now that the sensor is on, it's time to mount it. Choose the fridge or freezer you wish to monitor and install it in one of 2 ways.
If the unit you are monitoring is magnetic, simply place the TxH directly onto the middle area of the back wall using the built-in magnets. If the unit you are monitoring is not magnetic, use the ferromagnetic tape as a backing by sticking 2 pieces of the tape together, one on top of the other, and then sticking the tape to the desired place in your unit where you would like to mount the sensor. For the most accurate readings, ensure the venting holes are exposed with the sensor sitting upright and the RCI logo on the top facing outwards. During installation, mark down each sensor's serial number and location on the provided sheet. Then, record a name for each sensor to keep things organized for when you enter these details into the dashboard. If you're having trouble with your sensor, here are some common troubleshooting tips. Use the activation magnet to force data to uplink to the dashboard. Simply hold the magnet on the magnet symbol for a quick 1 to 2 seconds, and you're all set. Forcing an uplink can be done to test your new sensor, or in cases where you want data to send right now, before the sensor's scheduled uplink. If you're having trouble getting the sensor to turn on or connect, try resetting the sensor by holding the magnet down for about 3 to 9 seconds, until the blue LEDs start blinking. River City Innovations is happy to help you with your install. For support, call us at 1-306-986-8888 or email us at support@rivercityinnovations.ca. Thanks for watching.